Hello and welcome. Not every time that we get the product that we see in eBay, either we get the color wrong or we got the wrong size. Depending on the product, what you get and what you think you were to receive may differ. In that case, how to make a return on eBay. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can make a return on eBay. Well, that's pretty straightforward, but depending on the return policy of the seller, it may take few days to a month to have the return completed. Alright, so the first step is logging into your eBay account, and on top you can see my eBay. So go to purchase history from there. Currently there is no orders in my page, but in your page you will be shown the list of products that you've ordered. Alright, once you've selected the product that you want to return, you will see a page similar to this one, right? Now there will be more actions, and if you click on it, there will be return this item. After that, you will have a page like this where you will need to fill the reason of why you want to return and any other details that you want to tell to the seller regarding your return of the product, and also add photos to validate your reasons. Then you need to click on this request a return. Once you have clicked on it, the seller will respond to you with further instruction of how to proceed with the request of return. Now you know how to make a return on eBay. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. If you still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.